Okay guys, so I'm on the Carnival Jubilee and we are at the port in Costa Maya, and I've been here many times, so I thought today I would just give you guys a tour of the room and around the ship. So first, let's take a tour of the room. I'm in a regular balcony cabin on the 9th floor. And as you can see here, this is the hallway. They have great decor. Of course, you know, this is Carnival's newest ship, so of course it's going to be nice. I'm kind of toward the forward side of the ship. My room number is actually 9244. Let's take a look. So right when you first walk in, you have kind of the traditional setup. I've heard a lot of people complain about how the couch is here and the bed is there. I actually kind of like it because I like to lay in bed and be able to look out at the ocean. So I kind of enjoy that. I know some people prefer the couch over there, but I love this setup for me personally. So you have a very nice big couch, which can fold out to a bed. Then I have it set up as a king bed here, and the television is right across from you. So you can lay in bed, watch the ocean, and have TV on all at the same time. The bed has lamps on either side, and both set of those lamps have, pardon my little fan, USB ports. So each side of the bed has USB ports, and then they have the little shelves there. Great lighting and great decor again. I love this big mirror here at the desk. It's really nice. It's large. The desk has a little stool down there that actually can be storage. And then look at the space on there. And not only that, guys, but you have 3 outlets and 4 USB ports right here. This is a really nice setup because I actually do work a lot of times when I'm traveling. So this is a great setup for me. You have 2 shelves here, and then just I have random stuff sit over here, and a beverage cooler down there, as well as a little drawer here for accessories, and then 2 larger drawers there. Now, if we look at the closets, I have them full, but I just wanted to show you guys. So you have plenty of closet space. And I don't know if it's because it's a newer ship, but tons of hangers. Look at all those hangers. And then you have a mirror, and then you have another set over here. And this closet actually is kind of fun, pardon the mess, because not only is the safe in here, but you have little pull-out drawers and little shoes down here, and even a pull-out drawer down there. And tons more of hangers. This room has more hangers than I think any room I've ever been in before. So the bathroom, we'll take a look here. Again, pardon all my stuff, but this is the bathroom. I will say, for a big guy, I'm a big guy, the bathroom is kind of narrow for the toilet. It works, but just beware, it is a little bit narrow, but the benefit you get is the shower is actually quite nice. Like, there's plenty of space, plenty of elbow room for me in the shower, and I really like that. 2 really big shelves. I carry a lot of stuff with me because there's inevitably always someone on the ship who needs Tylenol or back pain or something. And so I always carry extra. Even yesterday, I helped out a passenger from our Facebook group who needed something that they forgot. So I always carry a bunch of extra stuff just in case, and all of my stuff fit there perfectly. So the space in the bathroom overall is quite nice. It's just a little narrow there. And then, of course, I'm in a balcony cabin. So the balcony here is just, you know, your normal balcony. It is quite spacious, in my opinion. I'll take you guys out here. I have my chairs set up because I like to put my feet up at night. But yeah, it's a nice size balcony. And again, there's not really a view where we're at per se, because we're at port and we're next to the MSC Explorer. But yeah, this is Costa Maya. So I hope you guys liked this room tour. I always find it interesting because, you know, you get a lot of tours from people, but one thing I did want to say is, you know, as a big guy who travels, although the bathroom is kind of narrow, it is definitely doable. And also I wanted to mention, a lot of people were talking about the room temperatures on this ship, Carnival Jubilee. My room has actually been quite comfortable. One thing that you do have to do is right here on the thermostat, there's a little button that turns the air conditioner on like blast mode. So if your room does get a little warm, all you have to do is hit that button and the vents will start blowing again. So I learned that little trick. Maybe that will help you, but that's the room tour, guys. My balcony cabin on Carnival Jubilee, room 9244. I hope you enjoyed, and now let's go look at the ship. Bye.